I've been trying to make my spreadsheet more intuitive, but I'm stuck on something called conditional formatting. Do you know how it works?
Definitely. Conditional formatting is a feature that lets you change the appearance of cells based on their values. For example, if you have a list of numbers, you can set a rule to highlight all values greater than 100 in green, or maybe turn negative numbers red.
Oh, that's cool. So it's like having a visual cue for certain data points.
Exactly. It's super helpful for spotting trends or outliers at a glance. You can apply it to dates, text, or even use color scales where the shading varies with the value.
How do I set it up?
It's pretty straightforward. You just select the cells you want to format, go to the Conditional Formatting menu, and choose the rule type. You can create basic rules like greater than, or equal to, or even custom formulas for more complex scenarios.
So if I wanted to highlight all expenses over $500 in red, I could just create a rule for that.
Exactly. You'd select your expense column, set the rule to greater than 500, and choose red as the fill color. Instantly, any expense over $500 will stand out.
That sounds like it would make my data much easier to interpret. Can I also use it to flag overdue tasks?
You could set a rule to highlight dates in the past, making overdue tasks stand out in your to-do list. There are tons of options to use.
This is going to make managing my data so much easier. Thanks for the explanation.
No problem. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find all sorts of ways to use it. Just experiment with different rules to see what works best for your needs. Register now and become proficient in Microsoft 365 with an instructor-led live virtual classroom online with post-lecture support.